by and take a look at the 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, leather shift knob. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.